everybody. We're back in Southern California in the beautiful Hollywood Hills, and Cauliflower is cooking up something pretty special today with some extra special guests.
Yay! Yay! Woo! So this is probably the tiniest guest that we've had, and definitely the most adorable. Well, the star of the show, let's say, this is Addison, and obviously she is amazing. Look how cute she is.
Can you say hi?
She's got her little star. No. She's and of course her lovely mama, Deanna. Now, I'm going to butcher your last name.
That's all right. I'll answer to anything.
Okay, I was going to call you Deanna.
Right on.
Deanna, you're a TV personality, and of course you are an amazing mama. You have two, right?
I do.
Addison, and then Addison, you're a big sister, huh?
Yeah.
Got a little
What do we
brother.
call him? He's a wild animal, right?
Wild. Yeah. Little brothers are like that. Now, I remember watching you on The Bachelor and The Bachelorette. You know, it doesn't seem like it was that long ago.
10 years ago.
But it was
wow.
10 years ago.
Time goes by so fast.
Right?
Tell me about it.
Well, and obviously a lot has happened for you since then. You seem lovely and happy, and now here to cook some cauliflower pizzas with us.
We like to eat, right, Addison?
Yeah. So we actually, we saved probably one of the most creative recipes for Addison today, because there's so much more that you can do with our pizza crust. If you think about pizza, you think about pepperoni, we've done barbecue chicken pizza, we've done some really creative things.
We made them into lasagna, enchilada, you know, quesadillas,
But today we're making a dessert pizza.
It's actually pretty amazing, and one of our brand new crusts that, you know, that hasn't really been on the market, but like for a soft lunch, is our plain crust. So
So it only has 3 ingredients: fresh cauliflower, mozzarella cheese, and eggs. That's it. The entire 9-inch crust is 180 calories and 6 carbs, so it's like super healthy and incredibly unboring.
Yep.
That's awesome.
And absolutely a great place to get veggies into little people.
You want to try some pizza?
All right, so first step, we're gonna make our pizzas mini. We're gonna make them into fun shapes. So Addison, I'm gonna let you pick the first shape.
Ooh.
You get first pick.
So you get to pick a cookie cutter. So our crusts have been brought to room temperature. So we took them out of the freezer, took them out of the plastic, and went ahead and put them on our cutting board. And Addison here is going to pick out her favorites. All right. So Mom's going to go ahead and add a little bit of pressure and cut out some shapes for us.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So do you remember how this works when we cut?
Just like cookie dough.
Yeah. Okay, good job.
Oh,
Good
perfect.
job.
Mom may have to get some elbow grease
Right
in
in
there.
the center. Awesome.
There we go. Nice.
Okay, you want to pull it up? Go ahead.
Nice.
Good job.
Put it right here on our screen. We'll pop it down just right there.
Very good.
Perfect.
Oh
Want to try a heart?
So right now they're not crispy yet. They're already fully cooked. We took them out of the freezer, like you said. We thawed them out, and now we're gonna get them into nice little crispy shapes. Good job.
Yeah. Okay, you want to pull it up?
So this could be amazing for like a kid's party, like a birthday party, or just a Tuesday night.
Yep.
Almost.
Almost.
Now you can probably get, I want to say like 5 or 6 little mini pizzas out of one crust. And a great thing you can do with the extra pieces so they don't go to waste is cut them up into like little croutons or crackers, and just bake them in the oven at around 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And that way you can use all of it and not have any waste. All right. Look at this. She's doing one of each. Now the star matches Addison's little dress.
That's right.
Great choice.
Look at that.
All
All right,
right.
you want to do it?
Awesome.
Let's pop it down. Oh my gosh.
You
You must help Mom in the kitchen a ton.
You
I
like
love
to
it.
cook, don't you, Addison?
Love it, love it, love it. Perfect.
Yay. So Stephanie's going to go put those over there. We actually already have a few that are done. So we're going to do some decorating. Now, there's really anything that you can do to make a dessert pizza. I mean, we were shopping for ingredients yesterday, and I mean, you could probably buy half of a Whole Foods market
That's good.
and make it nice and healthy. All right, so Addison, we are going to let you pick which one you want to decorate first.
Done a flower, a heart.
Which one would you like to do?
You want to do a heart?
Okay.
It's a heart.
Wonderful.
All right.
Now I'm going to decorate a flower, I think.
I'm gonna give one to Mom.
All right, I'll do a heart like Addison.
Perfect.
Okay, so the great thing about our product, it lends to all different kinds of toppings. So we went crazy in you know. So you can go non-dairy, you can go peanut butter base, almond base, you know.
There's so many options.
What do you think you like to do? We have some cocoa almond butter, some regular peanut butter. I see chocolate chips over Oh, and there's chocolate
Cream
chips.
cheese.
And then there's some cream cheese, like a sweet mascarpone cheese might be a nice base for that. Want to try a little of that? Creamy and smooth, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so you have, all right.
Good.
You
Oh
want-
yeah.
Put a little bit on there.
Spread it out.
Want to spread
Do you
it
wanna do
around?
it? Go ahead.
Here, go ahead.
You can do it.
Here, I'll do this, and then you can spread it around. Hold it.
Very
hold it.
Perfect.
Nice.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
Yay.
Okay.
All right. And then chocolate chips for your sweet little one.
All right.
And what would you like, Rachel?
Oh, I'm going with
gonna
the
eat one.
cocoa and coconut almond butter
Okay.
because I was smelling this earlier. Smell that. Smells so good.
Ooh, yum. That smells delightful.
Thank you. Can you hand me a knife, Steph?
You betcha.
Good
There
job.
we go. All
Oh, that's. You can make a little smiley face on there.
right. I'm going to take some regular almond butter on mine. And Deanna, what would you like to have on yours? I have a kite hill spread, which is non-dairy, and then I have mascarpone. We also have some other almond base.
I'll go with the mascarpone just like Addison.
Choice.
What should I put on mine? Should I put strawberries on mine? Okay.
Nice. It's the time of year right now where berries are starting to be more plentiful in markets. And I think I might have one of each berry on mine.
And then we've got some yogurt goji berries. I'm going to put some almonds on mine.
Do you want to put
What else would you like?
strawberries or the blueberries? The
Ooh,
raspberries?
raspberries.
All right.
Choice.
Nice
There
choice.
you
There you
go.
go. Want to do it? Good job.
I'm gonna put a blackberry.
I'm going kind of healthy and not. So I'm going to top mine off with a little chocolate swirl.
You want to know?
Perfect.
Do
You
you wanna
pass
put
me the
chocolate syrup on yours?
let's do the chocolate covered chia seeds.
Ooh, yum.
Healthy.
Yeah.
I have the chocolate syrup.
See, there's balance in life.
Oh, absolutely.
Very
Have
good.
you opened it up for you? Okay.
Can you do it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. There.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That looks
Yeah.
awesome.
Oh,
Good
Girl from my
job.
own heart, right
Perfect.
there.
All right.
Anything else? Are you ready to eat it?
Strawberries.
Oh
Will
yeah.
you put some on mine, Addison?
Oh, what a great
Thank
helper.
you, sweetheart.
Nice.
And this is like the
That's very
perfect
good.
snack size if you're looking for a dessert and you don't want to feel
you.
like, oh, I just ate like an entire piece of cake. Look at that.
For sure. Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Yours is beautiful.
We ready to eat this,
All right.
ladies?
Cheers.
Okay.
Woo!
Oh, Addison did pretty
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Hers might be the best, actually.
Cheers. 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 Cheers.
All right, here we go.
Mm.
Oh my goodness.
Mmm. Isn't that yummy?
Mine was on the plant-based with a little bit of
Go ahead.
Oh my
Right.
gosh.
You got
That
chocolate
is
on chocolate on
delicious.
chocolate.
So Deanna, what do you have going on these days?
Oh man, busy, busy, busy. My two little ones keep me running circles. And then I just launched a blog.
Oh, yay!
So in between running circles, then I tried to sit still and write for a minute, and then I run more circles around the kids. So
What is the blog about?
just
do it?
life. Just kind of life. I felt like I got into a bit of a rut where I just was a wife and a mom, and I kind of lost myself a little bit. And so I needed a creative outlet.
I love that.
Yeah, and so I felt like this year was the perfect time to do it because it's been 10 years since I was on the show, and so much of me has changed, but it's still the same. So I decided to start blogging.
Yay!
Yeah.
So where can people find that blog?
Very good.
Catch, Stephanie.
I'm a mom.
That's all right.
That's all right. You know what? We're good.
It's DeannaStag.com.
Oh,
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, sure.
easy to remember.
Lots of kids. So if you don't like kids,
Who
That's
doesn't
not
like
real.
kids? Oh my gosh, are you kidding?
right? How good is that, Addison?
She said she liked it.
Pretty
What do you
good.
think? Would you eat them
never know.
again? Would you eat it again?
Yay! We'll send you home with some, and that way Mom and you can have some more time in the kitchen and cook lots of different kinds of pizzas, and
Are
maybe
you-
even share with your little monster brother.
Yeah, will you share with the animal man? You will? You're a good
You're
sister.
So sweet.
You're a very sweet girl.
This has been so much fun. I love having, we never had a kid on the show,
Yeah.
and you were perfect at it, and you made the perfect little pizzas.
Was it good?
So, when people ask, do kids like it? Kids love it.
Kids like
Kids
it.
love it. Absolutely.
Great way to get vegetables and apparently fruit into your diet.
Absolutely.
I don't know.
And
well-
chocolate.
And chocolate.
And chocolate.
Because
Oh, yeah.
everybody's got to.
My kids say chocolate cures everything, so absolutely. Makes me happy.
I'd say that too.
All
I like
right.
it. Well, do you want to say goodbye to everybody and wave to the camera?
No.
She's like, no. I'm cool. I got my food.
Awesome.
Peace out.
Bye,
All right.
everybody.
All right. We'll see you next time on Cauliflower.